simply, the greater the number of service visits or days out of service, the stronger a consumer's case is alleging that the manufacturer breached the warranty. The Lemon Law says that to be entitled to compensation, a vehicle must be subjected to an unreasonable number of repair attempts. The more major the repair, or the more significant the number of repairs, the more valuable the case. Typically, only a visit or two to the dealership with only a few days out of service will not qualify for compensation. However, 3 or 4 visits for warranty work and/or a few weeks or more out of service for repairs could be a viable case that is entitled to compensation.